Traditional banking is failing to adapt with the times. This failure to satisfy its customers has made way for things like crypto and fintechs, which have gained massive adoption in the short time they have been alive. It is no longer a question of if fintechs and crypto will take over,
If is good.
but rather which crypto and fintechs will take over. Financial technology companies, especially those that went public, such as Square, Upstart, and SoFi, seem to be leading the way, among others. In this video, we will be going over the competition between the major public fintech companies and dig deeper by comparing their financial results and see how people are responding to this budding financial revolution, and ultimately, which one has the biggest upside potential. Statistics show an increasing number of fintech companies from about 20,000 companies in 2020 to over 25,000 companies as of February 2021 around the globe. Here at Wealth Gambit, we strongly believe that fintechs are the future. So let's take a closer look at some of the top fintech companies and see how they stack up against one another. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button for more weekly content. Also, please note that we are not financial advisors and this is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence. Anyways, without further ado, let's get right into it. Generally speaking, the major fintech companies have been outperforming the major banks over the last several years, so this will be a tight competition.
Tight like a tiger.
For this video, we will be specifically reviewing public fintech companies such as Square, SoFi, and Upstart, which are slowly but surely absorbing large parts of the financial space. But who's top dog? In this video, we'll figure that out. Let's dig deeper. SoFi, founded by 4 Stanford University students in 2011, was created for the purpose of refinancing student loans, but since then has branched out into almost every financial need a student will encounter throughout their life. Its mission is to help people reach financial independence and to realize their ambitions. SoFi's strategy is to get their customers, or as they like to call them, members, in the beginning of their lives, with helping them refinance their student loans. From there, as people get older, things like buying their first car and eventually even their first house start to come into the picture. SoFi hopes to be the company there for you to assist you with these needs and everything in between. Since they only have to get a customer once and that customer can go on to use multiple products with them, their lifetime value of a customer is nearing best in class, if not best in class. The company is currently led by Anthony Noto, who holds an exceptional background in the financing world together with Chris Lapointe as its Chief Financial Officer, and Lauren Stafford Webb is its Chief Marketing Officer. SoFi offers various products/services in the app, such as SoFi Money, SoFi Credit Card, SoFi Relay, which lets you track all your money in one place, SoFi Invest, student loan refinancing, personal loans, home loans. You need it, they have it. And if they don't currently have it, you can bet that they're developing it. Moving on, we have Square, which is led by Jack Dorsey, who is also the CEO of Twitter. It is considered an e-commerce system, and you can think of this as a system that connects consumers/buyers to sellers. Square believes that no one should be left out of the economy because the cost is too great or the technology too complex. Because of this, the company is building tools that would empower and enrich its users. Founded in 2009 by entrepreneurs Jim McKelvey and Jack Dorsey with their dream of creating an easy-to-use merchant services and mobile payments platform, Square mainly offers a way for sellers to accept payments through cards, but with the convenience of doing it on their mobile phone. The company also offers lending services with small businesses as their main clients, but larger merchants are starting to become interested in it. Square has 2 main services: the Cash App service, a form of peer-to-peer payment that means paying bills, buying goods, and even transfers, all done with the convenience of doing it on your mobile phone. This service also enables users to receive direct deposit and ACH or automated clearinghouse payments, as well as Bitcoin crypto purchases. Not just that, but Cash App also offers a feature called investing, where users can trade stocks with no commission. Their other service is called POS, or Point of Sale, which is a free application that allows sellers or merchants to process online payments, email marketing, online ordering, as well as inventory management. Overall, Square is a strong contender and has a lot of potential. Jack Dorsey is a veteran CEO and has even played a significant role in taking Twitter to where it is today. Lastly, we have Upstart, which was founded in 2012 by ex-Google employees Dave Garrard and Paul Gu, together with Anna Counselman. They are focused mainly on personal loans, but recent reports have revealed that the company is venturing into car loans. Upstart is a leading AI platform that is designed to improve access to affordable credit by reducing the risk and cost of lending for their bank partners. Upstart is partnering with banks to expand access to affordable credit. Upstart-powered banks can have higher approval rates and lower loss rates while delivering an exceptional digital-first lending experience. Upstart's AI platform accurately evaluates one's capability to pay their loans and more. 2/3 of their bank loans are approved instantly, and these are fully automated.
High five.
It is helping banks reduce risk while also easing the loan application process and credit score evaluation on the borrower's part. We know this is a lot of information to take in, so let us tell you what this means, in our opinion, at least. In terms of the target market, SoFi has a significantly wider market compared to these three, since they don't just focus on student loans, but also on working individuals, small businesses, and companies. Meanwhile, Square focuses more on small businesses and individuals who make online transactions. On the other hand, Upstart focuses mainly on personal loans. Increasing growth of users/members among these three big fintech companies have shown that more and more people are choosing to manage their finances at their own convenience. In terms of services provided by each company, all have strengths and some have weak points. Since Square mostly offers peer-to-peer payments and point-of-sale services, their edge is with merchants and buyers, since a lot of fintech companies already have peer-to-peer services. In addition, Square's loans attract interest not only from small-scale businesses, but also large businesses. Upstart mainly focuses on personal loans, and their commitment to upgrade their artificial intelligence shows that they're future-proofing their systems and willing to adapt with the times. That being said, they don't seem to be looking into other business ventures other than lending. SoFi, on the other hand, offers almost everything that Upstart offers and more. It stands out in terms of their lending system since it has lower interest rates and offers a wider variety of loans compared to Upstart, but also has peer-to-peer services, money tracking, investing, and even crypto. SoFi has increased its member growth 113% year over year, from 1.2 million members in the second quarter of 2020 to a massive 2.6 million members in the second quarter of 2021. Square increased its net income year over year compared to last year with an estimate of 204 million. Upstart's reported total revenue for the second quarter of 2021 was 194 million, an increase of 1,018% from the second quarter of 2020. SoFi reported second quarter net revenue amounting to 231 million, which is a 101% increase from 114 million at the same time last year, and adjusted net revenue amounting to 237 million, which is up 74% from 136 million reported in the second quarter of 2020. Overall, all three fintechs are outpacing the banks, and you can't really go wrong with any of them, in our opinion. However, be wary of the valuation of the company if you decide to buy in. No company, no matter how good it is not worth an infinite amount of money. After reviewing all the information, one of the main reasons that we're so bullish on SoFi and think that is currently the king of fintechs in terms of looking at investments. The valuation is actually really reasonable considering how large their total addressable market is. Comparing all three, they all have their own strengths and weaknesses. SoFi, in our opinion, is the most well-rounded as it has a lot of the services/products offered by both Upstart and Square, and on top of that, has a lot of services/products that are not offered by either. Overall, this game was won by valuation and a larger total addressable market, and we have to give it to SoFi with this one. Anyways, what's your personal take on SoFi's progress? What companies do you think could be SoFi's toughest competitor? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button for more weekly content. And yeah, that's basically it. Until next time, guys. Peace.